Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Shopify app earnings and admin detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your earnings from the Shopify app, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section located at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the settings menu, select the billing option. Within the billing section, look for the payouts tab. Click on the payouts tab to view your earnings details. Here, you will see a summary of your earnings. Next, locate the withdraw button or option. Click on the withdraw button to initiate the withdrawal process. You may be prompted to select your preferred payment method. Choose the payment method that suits you best, such as bank transfer or PayPal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your available balance. Once you've entered the amount, review the transaction details. If everything looks correct, click the Confirm button to proceed. After confirmation, await a notification on the status of your withdrawal request. Typically, you will receive your funds within a few business days, depending on the payment method selected. If you experience any delays or issues, check the Help Center for assistance. Follow these steps to easily manage your Shopify app earnings efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.